What's going on YouTube? Fearless CBR6 here. And again, I don't have my, oh shit, it's bumpy. Again, I don't have my bike. Yesterday I broke my key for my ignition, and I also got my plate stolen off of my bike. So today I have to go and get a bunch of shit. I have to buy a new license plate, I have to buy a new ignition because I don't have even a spare key. I had the original key which didn't work, and then I had the spare key that was now broken. And I broke my helmet too. So yeah, a lot of bullshit. I will have a video up today. I'm probably just going to do another time lapse, but I will have footage up today, and my bike will be fixed tonight or tomorrow morning, so I'll have footage again for what is it, Wednesday? I'll have footage for Wednesday. But yeah, this is my truck. I don't really want to do truck vlogs, but my helmet's broken, so I didn't really have a mount to put on my head. This should only be one-time thing with the truck vlog. Unless you guys like it, then I can do them every once in a while. But I'll talk to you fuckers later, and as always, comment, rate, subscribe. Peace. Thanks for the motion lotion, man. Oh, fucking shit! I just broke my key in half. Fuck. Shit. Oh God. Oh God. Well, hopefully this works for the day. I'm having so many fucking problems today.